Accelerated Math, Objective 117, convert between metric units of mass using decimal amounts. We have example number 9, and we need to remember that if we're going from small units and we're changing them to large units, we will divide. If we're going from large units and converting them into small units, we will multiply. Alright, we have to take what we're given. We're given grams. In comparison, are kilograms smaller or larger? Kilograms are smaller, or larger rather. So we're going to go from small to large. So 871 grams, and grams would be the small unit, and we're going to change it to kilograms. So that means we're going to divide. But we need to know what to divide by to get our answer. So I need to know how many grams are in 1 kilogram. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So I will divide by 1,000. So I have 871 divided by 1,000. Okay, and this problem is going to look a little tricky to you because we ask ourselves, can 1,000 go into 8? And 8 is smaller than 1,000, so it cannot. Can 1,000 go into 87? Well, 87 is smaller than 1,000. Can 1,000 go into 871? Well, 871 is smaller than 1,000. So we have to add a decimal, and we have to extend the number. Now, the decimal signifies something, so we need to signify that in our quotient. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a 0 up here because we said that 1,000 cannot go into 871. So we're going to put a placeholder. Alright, now this number now has 4 digits, so we can treat this as 8,710, even though it's not. Alright, can 1,000 go into 8,710? It can. It can go 8 times. 8 times 1,000, and then we would continue the process by subtracting like we normally would, and we would get 710. Alright, we need to add a 0, and we need to bring it down into our answer. And now we ask ourselves, can 1,000 go into 7,100? Yes, 7 times. We multiply by 1,000, we get 7,000. We subtract, we get 100. Okay, we're going to add a 0 now. We know we will be done when we have 0 as our final answer. So that's the reason we're continuing. We ask ourselves, can 1,000 go into our new number, 1,000? Yes, 1 time. 1 times 1,000 would be 1,000. We would subtract, and we finally get 0. So we have 0.871. That's our answer. We need to go back and see if we can I don't know how to get to the top of the page here. Alright. 0.871. 0.871. Answer C would be our answer.